love the Arizona sun most of the time, except when it's so hot outside you can't even walk on your own patio or the grass for that matter. Well, there is a way to circumvent that problem and enjoy the beautiful outdoors. Press the button, Robert. Robert Mulvane, he is the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. And at this beautiful home, Robert, you have installed this amazing automatic shade with just the press of a button. Yeah. Look, we're gonna be in the shade. You've just expanded our outdoor space.
We added 200 square feet of living space, entertainment space, just by pushing a button. It only takes a few seconds.
Absolutely, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And when this comes out, now you've protected not only the grass area, the patio area, you've made it so that people can walk on it when it's brutally hot out, but it also provides some protection for those who maybe have issues for being in the sun.
There's a lot of people that have skin issues or conditions where they can't be in the sun, or they can't be in the sun for long periods of time. So they want to get outside. So even when it's nice outside and it's not super hot, they just can't do it. You provide an awning, a roller shade their space, they can get outside. They just enjoy the outdoor space.
So you have different, with the automatic shade like this, do you have different choices for densities, or are they all pretty much?
They're all the same. It's umbrella, but there's hundreds of colors. There's tons of unique colors. There's stripes, there's solids.
So the darker the color, then maybe the more shade, the denser the shade?
The denser the shade, and it'll make it a little bit darker in here, but you can brighten it up with bright colors, stripes. You can get crazy. You can do whatever you want.
Lights, because it has lights in it. Automatic, right here in the arms, there's lights already built in.
And they're dimmable, so you can make them bright. You can turn them off. You can, cool. So you can use the shade at night, even though you don't need shade, but you want an extra lighted area.
Yes, yes. So here's the cool thing, though. I know we're talking a lot about summer, which I know we're kind of in the middle of it right now. But in the winter time, it also provides extra warmth.
It's like a shield from the cold. So you use it in the morning, you use it at night, you use it in the summer, you use it in the winter. These things are great for all year round, and they have a 5-year warranty. It's like bulletproof. These motors, it's in a cassette, so it makes the fabric last longer, and it already has this 10-year warranty on the fabric itself.
I'm just wondering, is this the sensor?
That's the motion sensor.
Okay, so here's what happens. If you have your shade out, let's say you go indoors and all of a sudden a gust of wind comes up, the automatic sensor,
shake and it'll go in by itself.
Ah, okay. Of course, you don't want to leave it out and then, go away for the weekend.
But this just makes you feel a little better that it can come in by itself.
Yeah, exactly. And let's talk about this particular color. Looks beautiful. It blends in with the house so nice. We're also in an HOA, so you can work with any type of homeowner, whether or not they're in an HOA or not.
Yeah, they have colors that
restrictions.
They have colors that can abide by all the rules when it comes to the cassette and then when it comes to the fabric. So any color you need, we have it.
Okay. Now this one is a pretty big shade. You have it mounted on the outside. Can you mount them just about anywhere?
We can, yeah, as long as there's a solid space to mount to. We can put these shades, we can reinforce it. We can get crazy and make it happen.
I just love how it so beautifully blends in with the home. When it's back in, you don't even see it. It has a case that protects it.
It has a casing, so it's always protected. When you're away for months, you're not worrying about your shade getting ruined.
So let's talk about options. People give you a call. Somebody will come to my home and bring me all kinds of case colors, shade colors, or whatever might work with my HOA right to my home.
That's right, yeah. We'll come, we'll measure your space, we'll give you a price, tell you the timeline, you can sign it, or you can come to the showroom, check it out for yourself, push the button, crank on the manual shade. You can check out all the options you want if you want to in person, or we come to your house.
And because you have all different options, all different price points, you can do the manual or the automated, depending on how much you want to spend, right?
We can go from small budget to big budget, whatever you need.
Small to big. This is big, and it's gorgeous, and it works. All right, here's more information. Free estimate and free installation. You can visit the showroom, just make an appointment at All Pro Shade Concepts at 623-204-1476, or visit the website to see and learn more, allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects? Be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy, abc15.com/homepro.